Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
You write your name on the paper for the date attendance. Now, have you started the revision work in this class? No, from the beginning, lesson number 7. We have completed till last lesson. Restaurant etiquette we have completed. All the lessons have been completed of GK. Only the current affairs are remaining. Only the current affairs are remaining. That is on the basis of entertainment and politics. That current affairs I'm going to share it to you in the group first. Then we are going to discuss it in the class. Clear? Those current affairs you write down in one page and stick that page in the last. क्लियर? ताकि आप लोग जब पढ़ाई करो तो यहाँ पर ही साथ में आपका करंट अफेयर्स का पेज हो जाए, तो आप इधर उधर मिसप्लेस नहीं होगा, एक साथ आपका जीके का वर्क हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? एज नोटबुक इज नॉट देयर विद यू, GK notebook is not there, so you write down all the current affairs in one page and stick that page in the last of your GK book so that it is not misplaced. I hope it is clear, and it will be shared whenever it will be shared. You do this work first. Then today we are going to start with the revision first. That is lesson number 7, breeds of dog. I am going to revise each and every lesson from now. You can check in your book with the spelling. GK course पूरा हो गया. With the spelling, you check it in the book whether you have completed or not. Hello, you have to sit separately. No, sit separately. Separately. Sit separately. Hello, Pranjal, Vidhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Whatever instructions just now I had given, have you understood clearly about the current affairs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, breeds of the dog. First, the name Saluki. That is, the dash is sometimes referred to as Royal Dog of Egypt. Saluki, Saluki. So you knew that today's GK book, GK period, na? You have the timetable then. आपकी बुक तो फिर आप अलग हो जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, ये सुन लेगा, ये सुन लेगा. Yes. First is Saluki, Saluki. Then Dash is a powerful but gentle dog that is very loyal and protective. Bulldog. Spelling is BULL bull, DOG dog. Then loyal and protective आएगा तो bulldog. Then Dash is a popular small breed of dog. Chihuahua. The whatever information about the dog is correct according to the basis of information. We are giving the name of the dog Chihuahua. But the photo, the picture is not appropriate according to the instruction given below. So on the picture you put a cross, क्योंकि ये पिक्चर चिहुआहुआ की नहीं है, पिक्चर चिहुआहुआ की नहीं है, बट जो इंफॉर्मेशन पूछी है, हाँ लाइव क्लास में बताया था ना, जो जिसको ध्यान नहीं है तो वो, ताकि मान लो पिक्चर भेज जाए तो इसके लिए आप चिहुआहुआ नहीं लिखोगे. चिहुआहुआ कौन सा है आपका? 8th वाला. फोटो ये है चिहुआहुआ की. ठीक है, इंफॉर्मेशन के बेसिस पे हमने ये यहाँ लिखा चिहुआहुआ. हेलो. Then Dash dog has excellent eyesight and sense of smell. Basenji. Basenji spelling Basenji. Next, the Dash is a large breed of dog, famous for its incredible tracking ability for scent. Bloodhound. Fifth, bloodhound. BLOODHOUND. Then sixth is the Dash is a dog found in Australia and Southeast Asia. Dingo. Then 7 dash originated in Siberia and are used to pull sledges. Yes, when the word pull sledges will come, you will write down husky. The dash is a dog breed that is skinny, that has long legs and run faster than the breed of the greyhound. So this is not skinny. As the name means, instructions are given. The dog is skinny. Skinny means patla dubla sa, bina balon ka. But this is not skinny.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम थर्ड पिक्चर कौन से डॉग की है?
Chihuahua. Picture नहीं है बेटा. ये Pomeranian dog. This is not a picture. Is totally different from what the instructions are given here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So on the picture you
Okay,
make
ma'am.
the cross. You write down this Chihuahua. This is Pomeranian dog. So you write down Chihuahua here according to the information given. Okay. Did you know a dog can smell about 1 lakh times better than a human being? Then next lesson will come of lesson number 9. Important facts about the animals. This will be based, very short questions can be based on this. Already informed you in the live class. Yes, yeah. Sit properly. First, cuckoo is the only bird which never builds its nest. So which is the only bird which never builds its nest? Cuckoo. It is also called as koel. Dash birds of prey are hunting birds that feed on small creatures such as birds and rabbits. Birds of prey are hunting birds. What do you know about birds of prey? Birds of prey, what are birds of prey? They are the hunting birds which feed on small creatures such as birds and rabbits. Dash have no teeth. Rats can survive. Means apart from camels, one more animal is there which can survive without water longer than camel. That is rat. Till now we only knew about the camel. That camel can survive without water for longer days. But now the information about rat also. Owl's hearing is so sharp that they can locate their prey in pitch darkness by sound alone. So the hearing of owl is very sharp. अंधेरे में भी काफी पिच तक वो darkness में अपना sound सुन लेते हैं. A bee consumes 6 to 10 pounds of honey. Bee को कितना consume करती है वो 6 to 10 pounds of honey to secrete each pound of wax. Now spider is not an insect. Then what is spider? Why is spider not an insect? It is ageless. And normally insects are sixless. The elephant is the only animal without knees. It cannot jump. Which is the only animal without knees? Elephant. And cannot jump because we can jump with the help of our knees only. When knees will bend, then only we will be able to jump. Otherwise, if knees will not be there, then how will be able to jump without the bending of knees? Now cows chew the cud. They have 4 stomachs. After swallowing food, they bring it back up in their mouth for further chewing. That means the cows are in the habit of chewing the cud. कैसे? When you see sitting a cow in the shade, वो क्या करती रहती है? मुंह चलाती रहती है. क्यों? Because what work it is doing? Chewing the cud. खाना खा लिया है उसने, but it is taking out again in the mouth and again chewing. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Chewing the cud. अब वो फूड नहीं च्यू कर रही है. फूड तो एक बार swallow कर लिया उसने खा लिया. अब वो क्या च्यू कर रही है? Cud. Orangutan means man of forest in Malay. And the lion generally roars in the evening before the night hunting and again before getting up at dawn. 2 times a day. Before hunting in night, शिकार करने जाने से पहले एक बार और एक बार सुबह dawn में. Next 10 national parks. Now this can be asked in MCQ form. यू आर नॉट हैविंग द बुक, तो बुक आप यहाँ से देखना है तो यहाँ से देख सकते हो, इधर बैठ जाओ।
मैम
यस यस।
मैम है ना, आपने करंट अफेयर्स लिखवाए थे क्या मैम जीके
नहीं
के?
नहीं, टिल नाउ आई हैव नॉट सेंड एनी करंट अफेयर्स. Soon I am going to send you the current affairs related to entertainment and politics. Okay, but when I am going to send you, I
Okay.
will inform you, and in the group first I am going to send you. Okay. Okay, now national parks. National parks and sanctuaries. What are national parks and sanctuaries? Anybody is written the name? How many are present? 21. So Gir National Park is the home of Asiatic lion. Which state is situated in? Gir, G for Gir, G for? This way you can remember. Clear? Valley of Flowers, a national park also declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in Uttarakhand. So this way you also Valley of Flowers, UNESCO, UNESCO, U for UNESCO, U for Uttarakhand. Hello. Benchingam National Park in Jammu and Kashmir is famous for Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmiri style, Kashmiri hiran ke liye. Hamish National Park is the biggest national park in India and home of two snow leopard. Where it is located? Hamish, you have already heard this word, Hamish? Not hemisphere. Cold desert, hot desert, you have read about? Hot desert, cold desert पढ़ा आपने? Geography में cold desert में in Ladakh we have read Hamish monasteries. Hamish is famous for monasteries. So that you remember like that. Hamish National Park, Ladakh. Sundarbans National Park is famous for mangrove forest and Royal Bengal tigers. So Bengal tigers, West Bengal. The famous tiger Machili can be spotted in Ranthambore National Park, situated in R for Ranthambore, R for Rajasthan. The biggest national park of world is the Northeast Greenland National Park. What is famous for? Musk oxen. Musk oxen. The next is now lesson number 15 will come after this. Lesson number 15. Indian environmentalists, the people who work to save our environment. So first, he is an Indian eco-activist and Gandhian peace worker. Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sundarlal Bahuguna. Next is, he is an Indian filmmaker specializing in films about wildlife and environment. Mike Pandey. Then third, he is an Indian Gandhian environmentalist and social activist. The Sholigram Swarajya Samiti ne kara tha kaam. Who is it? Chandi Prasad Bhatt. Then fourth is, she is an Indian environmentalist and political activist as well as major proponent of green concept of sustainable development. Main component sustainable development के लिए. Then fourth, Sunita Narayan. Fourth, Sunita Narayan. Fifth, in 1990 left Anand 1. Yes, fifth one is Baba Amte. And he passed away also in Anand 1. Passed away means he died there only. In Anand 1 on February 9. Then next he is known as Waterman of India. Rajendra Singh. Waterman of India, Rajendra Singh. And Birdman of India, Salim Ali. Waterman of India, Rajendra Singh. Birdman of India, Salim Ali. And then lastly, she has been dynamic in bringing the change. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Narmada Bachao Andolan, Nida Patekar. Next. Our nation, 16th. Lesson number 16. How many spokes are there in chakra of our national flag? 24. Which stripe should always be on the top? Saffron, white and then green. So first above is the saffron. Third, how many lines are visible? Three are visible, one is the back side not visible. So 3 is in front. What is inscribed at the base of the Satyamev Jayate? Who composed the national song of India? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. What is the first month of national calendar? Chaitra. And what is the national song? Clear? 17, the Constitution of India. Lesson number 17, the Constitution of India. Now, highest court of India is Supreme Court. After Supreme Court, which is it? High Court. High Court. And after High Court, Supreme Court or local court and all. Then second, who was the chairman of Constitution? Chairman of Constitution Drafting Committee के chairman कौन थे? B.R. Ambedkar. And which state was Panchayati Raj first introduced? Yes, Rajasthan में in October 1959. How many articles are there in Constitution of India? 395 articles. Who are elected as president? President. Constituent Assembly, Rajendra Prasad. Chairman of Constitution Drafting Committee, Drafting Committee, D for drafting, D for drafting committee, and D for Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar. And Constituent Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Then B.R. full form of B.R. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Next is how many fundamental duties are there? 11 fundamental duties are there. Which non-member of Parliament has right to address? Attorney General of India. And last, which is the heart and soul of Constitution? Yes, which line is heart and soul? Right to Constitution. Remedy. So, right to Constitutional remedy means you can easily approach to the courts. Whenever you need justice, you can easily approach the courts. Now 18th, important dams of India. The first multi-purpose project of India, dams of India. Yeah, Damodar River, Damodar Valley project. Damodar River पे क्या बना? Damodar Valley project. Then gravity dam on Narmada River at Navadam. Sardar Sarovar Dam. World largest and tallest man-made dam. Third is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. नागार्जुना सागर के पास जो कृष्णा रिवर है वहां पर बना ये डैम तो नागार्जुना सागर के नाम से. This is a concrete gravity dam on Satluj River. Yes, fourth is Bhakra Dam. Then built across the Mahanadi River, Sambalpur. Hirakud Dam. Fifth is Hirakud Dam. Sixth, this dam is located on the Bhagirathi River. Tehri Dam. Then seventh, across Kaveri River of Salem. Mittur Dam. Seventh is Mittur Dam. And eighth is Marchand Dam. Clear, everybody? Mark? Clear? No single mistake will be there in GK exam. Now, which page number? 24th, United Nations. Lesson number 24, United Nations. The UN has five main organs. FIVE 5. Lesson number 24. Next. Hello. The five permanent members of Security Council who has the veto power. First, China. Second, France. Third, Russia. Fourth, UK. UK full form. United Kingdom. US. United States. Clear? All five written permanent members. Now the core judicial organ of UNO is the International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice. Next is fourth, that UN officially came into existence on 24th October 1945. There are dash official languages of UN. Six official languages and main organs. 5. Permanent members 5. But official language 6. And those official languages are further discussed further in fill in the blanks. Which are these on number 12? In number 12, English, French, Arabic, Chinese, Russian, and Spanish. These are 6 official languages. Now coming to 6th, the International Court of Justice is headquartered at the Peace Palace in Hague. The Peace PACEP Palace 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 in Hague HAGUE. अब ये हेग कहाँ है? ब्रैकेट में लिख लो नीदरलैंड. हेग कहाँ है? नीदरलैंड में. Next, 7th, Dash became the first specialized agency during International Labour Organization. In bracket you can write down ILO. And 1946, International Labour Organization. 1946. The headquarters of UNO is New York. Headquarters कहाँ है UN के? New York. The UNO is often considered the successor organization to the League of Nations, which was founded in January 1921. So 9th is League of Nations. LEAGUE. League of Nations. 10th, UN Charter is constituting instrument of UN and is based on President Franklin D. Roosevelt. President, President. Roosevelt, Roosevelt. Roosevelt. Franklin, Franklin. Franklin, Franklin. D, capital D आएगा, then dot Roosevelt, Roosevelt. President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Next, there are dash specialized agencies related to UN. 15 specialized agencies. The official languages include English, French, no languages, Arabic, third is Arabic, ARABIC, fourth is Chinese, CHINESE, fifth Russian, and sixth Spanish. 13th, the General Assembly is the main deliberative body, which meets once every year. General Assembly. 13th will be General Assembly, 14th will be the Security Council is the most important organ. Security Council. SECURITY. Security Council. Next, this is the specialized agency of United Nations that is concerned. World Health Organization. In bracket you can write down WHO, World Health Organization here. Then specialized agencies of United Nations based in Paris. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. This is UNESCO given, full form of UNESCO here. U for United, N for Nations, E for Educational, S for Scientific. After scientific you have to add and C for Cultural, O for Organization. And in bracket UNESCO. Third, the agency seeks to promote the peaceful use of nuclear and international atomic energy. IAEA. This agency, which was established in 1961, has since been providing food, that means World Food Program. WFP. World Food Program. I think WEP I had written here. So make a correction over here. World Food Program, WEP. WEP. WEP लिखा है तो make a correction over here. Instead of EP, you have to write down FP, food. World Food Program, that is FP, WFP. Clear? Fifth, this agency gives money to nations in need to International Monetary Fund. Here only it is given. यहाँ लिखा हुआ already है. International Monetary Fund. MONETARY, Monetary Fund, IMF. Then did you know the Trusteeship Council, which was the sixth principal organ of UNO, is now inactive since 1994. Previously, Trusteeship Council was there. Then at that time, 6 organs were there. Now I have written 5. 5 means एक Trusteeship Council नहीं है तो उसमें हमने 5 लिखा. ठीक है? Next page number 20. Lecture number 25. Word quiz. Word quiz. First, this is the longest river running 6,300 kilometers. Yangtze. Second, this is the large desert. Gobi, number 2. Then most ancient civilization. Ancient civilization is Mesopotamia. Then lake is the deepest and oldest lake, Baikal. Then the Asian country that has largest population, China. Then world largest island body of water, Caspian Sea. 6th, Caspian Sea. 7th, Burj Khalifa is the tallest building on the earth. Yes, United Arab Emirates. Then 8th, the highest mountain peak of the world, Mount Everest. I hope till you are clear, everybody. Till here only. Today I end my revision here only. Next class, whenever we meet, we'll continue with the revision same. Okay? Till then, you learn and come till here. In our next class, first I'm going to put up the questions based on these lessons. Then we'll continue our revision further. Clear? Type present once again. I hope till here everybody is clear. The students sitting at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So be prepared with all these lessons for means oral revision. Oral test type लूंगी मैं यहाँ पर पहले पूछूंगी उसके बाद फिर further revision will continue. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I end up the meeting here only. Take care. Thank you.